my god, y'all. Oh my god. I hate to have to come here and tell you guys this, but anyway, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I bought myself an early Christmas present and I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm excited. I am not a tech person at all, but that's okay. I'm a girl that knows what she's doing and knows what she wants, so that should be good enough. But thank you for coming back and thank you for subscribing. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. Air. I did get it in the space gray color. It's the color I got it in. Inside the box, you get the USB-C cord and the USB-C cord adapter comes in the box. Then of course you get the standard Designed by Apple packaging, and inside of the packaging you will see that it gives you like the little instructional book with all the specs of the MacBook. You get the space gray stickers come in there as well. Very sleek box, standard box. All of the MacBooks come in. I am extremely excited about this MacBook. You guys don't even understand how excited I am. This MacBook packs a heavy duty performance, and would you believe it's only 2.8 pounds? I mean, it's just awesome. It's got up to 16 gigabytes of high performance. So if you're looking to use this laptop for like everyday use, for editing, videos, things like that, this is a perfect laptop for you. The Magic Keyboard is what I'm most excited about, and we'll get to that in just a minute. But it features, the MacBook now features the new Magic Keyboard. Now this Magic Keyboard was first seen on the MacBook Pro, but we'll get more into that as soon as we take off this plastic. So let's get to it.
Has the very sleek look to it, as all MacBooks do. You see the Apple on the front is the space gray. The back of the laptop's just standard. Has the 4 posts on the bottom of the laptop. And let's open her up.
Open it up. All right, I'm gonna set her up off camera because I know it can take some time. So I'll be right back, guys. Anyway, I want to go back and talk about this keyboard. Let's talk about this beautiful keyboard. How sleek is that? Well, this particular keyboard, let me fix my camera angle. This particular keyboard has that magic, it's the Magic Keyboard. So basically, it is very responsive to touch. It's very quiet. It has the backlights. So if you're working at night, you should be able to see because it's backlit keys, which I think are really cool. It has the ambient lighting in the keyboard. Also, another cool thing is the Force trackpad that this laptop features. It has that Force trackpad on it. So I think that's really cool, and it's bigger than before. I believe it's like 20% bigger than other MacBooks, so that's another cool feature. Something else I think is really, really awesome. Let me move it a little closer so you guys can see. It has a Touch ID. So you can use your fingerprints as your password. All you have to do is just push that with your finger, and it's like an advanced security feature that some people really like. So let's get into the specs of the particular one that I got. As you guys know, I got it in the space gray color. The price for this MacBook starts at about $9.99. for the MacBook, so that's not too bad. Now, depending on the size that you get, the price will go up, but it's a 13.3 inch display. And I love the look of it. Like, I love how clean it looks across here and how you get like a lot of screen space. I know in some of the older MacBooks, it wasn't as sleek or as clean as it is up here. Let's see what else. Oh, so let's get into what size. So this storage size is a it's actually 512 gigabytes is the one I got. It has 8 gigabytes of memory. They say it's configurable for up to 16 gigabytes of memory. As far as like the battery life, battery has up to like 11 hours of wireless web, up to 12 hours of Apple TV and like movie playback. It can stay in standby for like 30 days. The size of it is so awesome. I mean, this is so lightweight. Like, I was so shocked when I opened it. Compared to my other laptop, this is like a feather, which is really, really cool. But I'm just excited. The graphics are really nice on it. Oh, it went black on this. The graphics are really nice on it, I think. And it has the standard, like, right here. Am I in focus? Sorry if I'm not in focus. But it has the 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports for charging. Basically, this laptop I think is great if you're going to be like doing a lot of videos, a lot of editing, a lot of day-to-day work. So you can get multi-use out of this laptop. So to show you guys like how fast and how sleek it is. So this page is just like an Apple help page. Like, if you get a MacBook and you really don't know what you're doing, you're kind of like a newbie, you can click here and let's go to my page. And that's the sound on it. So sound is really good.
Just to give you guys a closer look at the Magic Keyboard that it has, that trackpad, screen. Here's a close-up. But yes, you can just go to apple.com to order it. Shipping was fast. It was very fast. It didn't take it very long for it to get here. Got here within a few days. Just showing you the website and how fast it moves. So this is a particular model that I got. So if you want to purchase, go to apple.com. They also sell them on some other places too. You can probably go to like your local Best Buys or Amazon or all those other places sell it as well. But yeah, I also ordered some accessories from Amazon, which I need to install. It came with like a keyboard protector, screen protector, and then like an outside shell. But yes, this is the MacBook 2020, the little short review, just showing you the unboxing of it and how it looks on the outside. Again, I got it in a space gray. It's very sleek and clean. Very, very sleek, clean. I'm very excited about this purchase.
Thank you guys for watching our first unboxing video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me install the accessories that I bought to go with it, let me know down in the comment section. I will record me installing the accessories I got to go along with this MacBook. Always and forever, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And then also hit that notification bell so you know when I be dropping this heat. Until next time, see you later.